Now we're going to do the top stitching. Top stitching is something that's very important when you're sewing, and what it does, it creates a really nice professional look. When you're top stitching, it's quite important to have a long stitch length and to not be too close to the edge. It depends, of course, what you are top stitching, but for tabs and the cuffs, definitely be about even up to 3 millimeters off the edge when you're sewing, and that gives you a very professional finish. So on your presser foot, you need to find one of the lines that you are comfortable with, that you line the edge of the fabric up with, and then you just edge your way all the way around the tab, lifting the presser foot as you go. And obviously I've speeded up this here, and it is much slower, so it does take quite a bit of time, but you want a nice and round look to your tab top stitching. And you can see I'll just keep going and going until I've done it.